My she shed.
Nobody burned down your she shed, Cheryl.
Well, my she shed's on fire.
Civil authorities has issued a biological hazard warning for the following counties or areas: New Salem, Judson, Sims, Belmont, effective until August 29th, 04 at 4:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The biological gas has been spreading around other places. Whatever you do, please turn off the air conditioner or lock doors or windows. Message from North Dakota Police.
Whatever you do, there's no escape to this gas. Everything that you love will be gone. Breathe.